Dancer or the dancee? Oh yeah. There's a whole lot of sexy up in here. Are you allergic to feathers? You're supposed to let him play with them. You're not supposed to play with them yourself. She's new with this. Too much excitement, huh? Who needs Viagra? When you got Bob Ed in the room, give it up for her. Very nice. Put your hands together for Bob for being such a good sport. Oh, you're awesome. You know we're going to have to get pictures now. We're going to have to get some pictures of all you guys. Oh, wait, where are you going? Oh, he wants a happy ending. Oh, I see what's up. Hey, wait a minute. I got my stuff back there. Hello? Are you decent? Oh, they said hang on. Okay. All right, we'll let them finish up. How was that for excitement?